Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so nice to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, Lily?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a peaceful morning. Just my tea, some music, and a little bit of reading.
That sounds amazing. I love quiet mornings like that. They make the day feel balanced.
Exactly. And you, Peter? How was your morning?
I'm feeling great too. I started my day with coffee and a short walk. It gave me some good energy.
Perfect. And today's topic will make your mornings even more useful, Peter.
Oh, really? You said today's topic is a powerful way to learn English. I'm curious now.
Yes, it's something that everyone can do every single day. You don't need a class. You don't need a book. You just need your life.
My life. I have one of those. Okay, that sounds interesting.
Good. But before we start, let's remind our listeners, if you enjoy learning with us, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, that little thumbs up icon helps a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Peter channel so you never miss our new lessons.
And if you have a friend who's learning English, please share this episode with them. We want to help everyone grow together.
Wonderful. Now, Lily, tell me, how can my daily routine become my English teacher?
Great question. Today we're talking about your daily routine.
My daily routine? You mean what I do every day?
Exactly. When you wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, all those small, simple things.
Like, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee.
Perfect, Peter. That's exactly what I mean. Those are powerful sentences. And our first tip today is write them down.
Write them down? Like in a notebook?
Yes, a small notebook is perfect. Or you can use your phone's note app. Just write simple sentences about your day in English.
Okay, so in the morning I can write, I wake up at 7, I have breakfast, I go to work.
That's perfect, Peter. You're describing your life in English. And that's how your brain starts thinking in English.
Interesting. It's so simple, but it feels different.
Yes, it's simple, but that's why it's powerful. You're not translating from your language, you're training your mind to form thoughts in English.
So I'm not just learning grammar, I'm actually building real thinking habits.
Exactly. You're building your English world one sentence at a time.
I like that. And I guess I'm also practicing vocabulary that's useful to me.
Yes, that's a great point. You don't need big, difficult words. You just need your words, the ones that describe your real life.
So I don't need to know the word for spaceship. I need to know the word for bus.
Exactly. I take the bus to work. That's a perfect, useful sentence.
Okay, so I write my sentences in the morning. What's next?
Step 2. Read them out loud.
Out loud? Like talking to myself?
Yes, or to your kitchen wall. Reading your sentences out loud helps connect writing, speaking, and listening all together.
Oh, so I use my eyes, my hand, my mouth, and my ears.
Yes, it's full skill learning. And the more you do it, the more natural it becomes.
I see. So if I write, I have breakfast, I should say it aloud. I have breakfast.
Exactly. That's how your pronunciation improves and your brain memorizes sounds.
That makes sense. I can hear myself using English. It feels real.
That's right. You're using English, not just studying it.
That's actually motivating. I could do that every morning while having coffee. It takes maybe 5 minutes.
Perfect. 5 minutes is enough to make a difference.
Okay. What about nighttime before going to bed?
Excellent question. At night, you can do the same thing, but this time in the past tense.
The past tense? Like, I did, I went?
Exactly. You just review your day and write what you did. For example, in the morning, you write, I go to work. At night, you write, I went to work.
Oh, that's clever. So I'm learning grammar without memorizing rules.
Exactly. You're learning it naturally through your own life story.
So in the morning, I write, I eat breakfast, and at night, I write, I ate breakfast.
Perfect. You're a star student already, Peter.
Thank you. So every day, I'm practicing vocabulary and grammar without feeling bored.
Exactly. And if you keep doing this every day, your English will grow naturally, just like watering a plant.
I like that image. Okay, so I'll start tomorrow morning. But Lily, sometimes life is busy. What if I forget?
That's normal. But even 1 or 2 sentences a day is enough. The secret is consistency.
So small but regular effort.
Exactly. Like brushing your teeth. You do it every day, not for long, but it keeps things fresh.
That's great. I'll brush my English every morning.
Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Okay, Lily, I think I understand the system. Write, read out loud, and review at night. But do you have any extra tips for people who want to go deeper?
Yes, I do. If you want to take your practice to the next level, try recording yourself.
Recording myself? You mean use my phone to record my sentences?
Exactly. Just a short recording, maybe 1 minute. Then listen to it later.
Oh, that's interesting. I guess I'll hear my mistakes.
Yes, and you'll also hear your progress. At first, it might sound strange, but after a few days, you'll notice improvement.
That's a good idea. It's like talking to my future self.
Yes! You'll be surprised how much better your English sounds after a few weeks.
Okay, I'll try that. So I record myself reading my daily sentences. What else can I do?
You can also add emotions to your sentences. Don't just say what you did, say how you felt.
Oh, right. Like, I went to work and I felt tired.
Exactly. Or, I met my friend and I felt happy. Emotions make your English more natural and expressive.
That makes sense, because real conversation isn't just actions, it's feelings too.
Exactly. And you can add details, colors, sounds, weather.
For example, I walked to work. The sky was gray. The air was cold.
Perfect. That's beautiful English. You're painting pictures with words.
Wow, so even a simple day becomes a story.
Yes, you're writing the story of your life in English.
That's so motivating. I think people will really enjoy this.
Absolutely. And there's more. If you want to make it fun, you can combine your daily sentences with your hobbies.
Oh? How?
For example, if you love music, you can describe songs you listen to. I listened to a happy song today. Or if you like cooking, I cooked spicy noodles for dinner.
Ah, so I connect English to what I love.
Exactly. That's how learning becomes enjoyable, not a chore.
I like that. Sometimes we think studying English must be hard, but it can be light and personal.
Yes, that's the key. Personal English learning.
So basically, my life plus my interests equals my English classroom.
Exactly, Peter.
That's amazing. Okay, what about listening practice? Can I connect that to my daily life too?
Absolutely. When you go for a walk or drive, listen to English podcasts or songs.
Like Mr. Peter Channel.
Exactly. Listen to short episodes every day. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is absorbing sounds and rhythm.
Right, like a baby learning to speak.
Exactly. You're surrounding yourself with English, little by little.
That's so natural. So, writing, speaking, listening, all parts of daily life.
Yes, and the best part? It's free. You just need your phone, notebook, and voice.
That's true. Everyone has those tools already.
Yes, you don't need fancy textbooks. Your life gives you everything you need.
That's really inspiring, Lily.
Thank you, Peter. And remember, when you practice this way, you're not just learning English, you're building confidence.
I agree. The more I speak, the less afraid I feel.
Exactly. Confidence comes from using English daily, not waiting for perfection.
That's a great point. Perfection can wait. Practice can't.
Very wise words, Peter.
Thank you. And thank you, Lily, for these amazing tips.
My pleasure. And to everyone listening, start today. Write one sentence, read it out loud, and celebrate your progress.
Yes, don't wait for tomorrow. Your English journey begins right now, with your own life.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this conversation, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this conversation, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
Thank you for joining us. Remember, your life is your best English teacher.
See you in the next episode, and keep learning English every day.